Whenever I'm placing a drawing on a prepared paper such as this, I have my large drawing area within my border, and I always want my drawings to be centered within that, so there's a little bit of geometry there. I simply want to find the middle of this space. So I'm going to use my longest straight edge available, that happens to be my scale, and if I line up the diagonal corners of my drawing space, not my title block, but my drawing space within the border. And I'm just going to do a really light construction line mark through the diagonal. I'll do that in both directions, and I'm just looking for where those diagonals intersect. And so no measuring, no dividing, no math involved. I simply found the center point of my drawing space. Now let's say I know that I'm going to have 3 to 4 drawings. That means I would want 4 quadrants of a drawing space. So now I can go ahead and divide my large space into 4 quadrants simply by shooting right through that center intersection horizontally and then vertically. And one trick is I like to put my pencil on my mark and then bring my triangle over to it, and then kind of test that I'm going right through. I want to be very, very precise in my drafting. And notice that I'm holding my triangle and parallel bar firmly with my left hand, and I'm reaching across with my right. And that allows me to have the triangle so that I can prop my hand on it and not smudge my drawing underneath. So now I have 4 even quadrants in my drawing space, and I can go on further to find the center points of each of those quadrants. So then my small drawings will be neatly centered in each quadrant. And actually, since I've found one, I always want to use to my advantage that I have a parallel bar. So I found one, so then I can project that center point down below and this center point above, and then project centers over. So whichever one is easier to you. And I missed that one. Okay, so now I have 4 equal quadrants with my drawing space, and the center point of each one is marked.